What is good, everybody on YouTube? It is your boy DQ back out with another YouTube video. Today we have a... What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy DQ back out with another YouTube video. Today we have a wonderful unboxing coming here, and today we have the beautiful... We got a Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops blade. Let's get it open. Let's see what's in here. Just came, oops, I knocked over the camera. This just came in the mail, so I'm really excited to open this up. Yeah. That bad boy, yeah, let's get in there. Let's get in. Oh, looks like we got some Yeezys. Uh-oh, 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 you know what that means. Slide gang, we finally got the slides. Let's get rid of the box. Boom, box all flying open. Boom, look at that beautiful, just slide. Slide. Let's take a look at that, look at that. Looking good. Looking good. All right, now let's open up, let's take a look at the shoes, see what we got here. Adidas Yeezy Slide, size 12, in the beige colorway, or bone. I call this bone. When I ordered it, it said beige, but let's take a look at the actual shoe. Okay, first thing I noticed, we got the little tag here. Yeezy Slide vibes. All right, let's get rid of the box. Okay. This is my very first pair of Yeezy Slides, and these things are pretty thick. It's very plain, very cozy. Wow, I can't wait to try these on. Get you guys a first look. My thoughts, opinions. This is the first look at these. You know, we got a little short video for you guys today, but yeah. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a quick review on these soon. Stay tuned. It's my very first pair, so I'm pretty excited to try these out. All right, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Follow, like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace.